Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to grow a green chili tree. First, select high-quality seeds from a mature chili. You can even use seeds from a store-bought chili. Next, prepare your planting medium. A good seed starting mix in small pots or trays works perfectly. Plant your seeds about 1/4 inch deep, ensuring they have enough space. Keep the soil consistently moist but not waterlogged to encourage germination. Once your chili seedlings develop 2 to 3 sets of true leaves, they are ready for transplanting. Choose a location that receives at least 6 hours of direct sunlight daily, as chilies love warmth. Ensure the soil is well draining and rich in organic matter. Water your plants regularly, especially during dry spells, but avoid overwatering. Let the top 1 inch of soil dry out slightly between waterings to prevent root rot. To encourage vigorous growth and fruit production, fertilize your chili plants every 2 to 3 weeks. Use a balanced liquid fertilizer, following the product's instructions. Pruning is also beneficial. Remove any lower leaves or unproductive branches to improve air circulation and direct energy to fruit development. Regularly inspect your plants for common pests such as aphids. If you spot any, treat them promptly with an organic insecticidal soap. Harvesting your green chilies is a rewarding experience. You can pick them when they reach your desired size and are a vibrant green. For a spicier kick, allow them to mature longer on the plant. Always use clean shears or scissors to snip the chilies from the plant, being careful not to damage the branches. This encourages the plant to produce more fruit. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to help keep your home tidy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.